Let's learn advanced personality traits. Learning in context is key to sounding more natural and skilled. The first trait is arrogant. It means having an exaggerated sense of self-importance. For example, his arrogant attitude pushed his teammates away. Next, the adjective manipulative. Definition: controlling others unfairly for personal gain. Example: she used manipulative tactics to get what she wanted. The third adjective is apathetic. It means showing no interest or emotion. For example, the apathetic student didn't care about the results. Next, deceitful. Definition: dishonest and misleading. Example: his deceitful behavior destroyed their trust. Now for petty. Definition: focusing on small, unimportant issues. Example: arguing over minor mistakes is petty. To continue, let's look at the adjective volatile. It means likely to change mood suddenly and violently. Example: his volatile temper made people nervous. Now we get to the word complacent. The definition is too satisfied to try to improve. For example, complacent workers stop growing professionally. Resentful. Definition: feeling angry about past unfairness. Example: she felt resentful after being ignored for promotion. The next adjective is obstinate. The definition is refusing to change opinions or behavior. For example, he remained obstinate despite clear evidence. And the last for today, cynical. It means distrusting people's motives. An example: she's cynical about politicians' promises. Pause the screen.